What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Octane Rehab. It has been a minute. I haven't posted in a little while because I let my ADHD get the best of me and started like thinking maybe this wasn't the thing for me, but I'm just having fun making videos, so I decided to start back up again. But I'm just gonna give you guys a little bit of an update on the 5.4. So if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see some of the progress that I've made. I've been building headers for this thing because I have never seen anybody do one of these before, an 8-to-1 collector. So there's 8 inputs, and so both sides will come and bolt to or be welded to that collector. I've only got one tube ran all the way so far. This whole side is basically to the point where I just need to run it to the collector, but I still have to build this full side here. But that's because, here, let's get a little light. But that's because, see, I don't know if you can tell, but there's only one stud on this side right now. But I purchased a stud kit, so I'll have brand new studs on, I think, both sides. I don't know how big the kit is, I can't remember, but that should be fun. And I went to the wrecking yard. Not sure if I showed this last time or not, but I got this crap, I think it's called a transmodulator. Anyway, so the engine won't start. I can crank it over just fine, but it won't start because the fuel injectors aren't firing because it doesn't have the key. The Ford PAT system makes it so you can't run the vehicle unless you have the right key. So I'm gonna have to have that. I'm gonna have to get a key programmed to the computer, which is kind of a bummer, but it's, you know, it is what it is. What else? So on the headers, my shop has this exhaust bender right here, and it's an okay bender. It does good for just, you know, making exhaust quickly. This is about a 90-degree bend that I made in that machine. I'll just show you real quick right here. The reason I'm doing these pie cuts instead of using this bend is because just the sheer size of the bend itself. Like in this case, it might have worked, but this is coming up and then out. These pie cuts, it's easier to route them. It makes all of the turns a lot smaller. Just like this one comes out and turns and goes up this way. And it's just easier to do that with pie cuts versus using an actual, just a bent tube. I could use this still and just like cut out of it to make narrower bends like this, but it was just easier to do this. All of these tubes are separate right now, but this is kind of some thinnish wall stuff. You can see it's really not that thick. But what I'm gonna do is, once these are all mostly welded up or in the range of where they need to be, I'm going to connect each tube to the nearest one next to it, and that'll just make all of this more rigid and easier so the vibrations won't really shake it apart. Because these are not going to be used in the foxbody. This is just an experiment that I wanted to do for quite some time, because I've heard a lot of the LS guys have done 8-to-1 collectors and they sound pretty crazy, and I was just curious what it would sound like on a Ford modular motor. That's really all I have today, guys. It's just I thought I would update you, let you know I'm still here. I'm still doing stuff. You'll see me more often on my Instagram because I post little updates there. But the reason I haven't been making videos is I've been trying to get these headers done, and between cutting all of the pie cuts out of some straight tube and welding them all together and getting them all to fit right, it takes quite a lot of time, and I haven't gotten that stud kit yet, so I haven't even started on the other side. And I've through the couple weeks I have been gone, I lost motivation, and but I'm back. I never really left. I just got to get these headers done, and you know, I'll get a video out on that. I've got a couple other things that I've been slowly working on with the Thunderbird. But yeah, if you like any of my videos, please go check them out. Hit the subscribe button, and yeah, I'm just gonna share my story of the weird stuff that I do, I guess. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great day. See you in the next one.